Welcome to this tutorial on how to load a tagged PDF in the Prep tool. Load tagged PDF is a feature that allows you to upload PDF documents that already contain tags, making it easy to review, edit, and finalize accessibility remediation. To load a tagged PDF, first, upload your tagged PDF file to the Prep tool. Next, select the Load Tagged PDF option and click the Upload File button. The Prep tool will process your file and retain the existing tags. Once completed, open the file in the Prep tag editor by clicking on it in the PDF Documents section to review the tags and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, save your changes and export the file. That's it. You have successfully loaded and reviewed a tagged PDF using the Prep tool. Thank you.